Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the avatar motion feature on Dreamface AI to create animated avatars with dynamic movements. You may want to keep in mind that this feature requires payment to generate the final product. Now, let's get started. First, open the Dreamface AI app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, scroll through the options until you find Avatar Motion. Tap on it to access the feature. You'll be prompted to upload a photo from your gallery or choose an avatar from the app's library. If you're uploading a photo, make sure it's clear and well lit for the best results. Browse through the available motion styles. You can choose from different facial expressions, gestures, and head movements. Select the one you like best. Once you're satisfied with your avatar and motion settings, click the Generate button. Since this feature requires payment, you'll be prompted to complete the payment process before the video is created. And that's how you use the avatar motion feature on Dreamface AI.